The Applied Sports Science of Elite Performance module at Bangor University is all about focusing on two specific things. So firstly, we take a step-by-step approach to writing a training plan, and we look at doing this in a variety of different sports. So broadly, we look at endurance sports, we look at team-based sports, and we look at strength and power-based sports. In conjunction with that, we also look at how we can gather data from our training sessions, something known as monitoring, and how we can use those data week by week or even day by day to monitor the type of training that we do and to modify the type of training that we do in order to ensure that our athlete peaks right before the major competition. So the module is about bringing these two things together, putting a training plan in place and using data to monitor as we put that training plan in place in order to make sure that our athlete peaks just in time so as they can perform at the best when they're in the major competition of the season.